Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable Face ID on App Store on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open Settings, then tap on Face ID and passcode. Now from here, if you have not set Face ID on your iPhone, just tap on Set up Face ID and set up Face ID on your iPhone. Now to set up Face ID, first of all, just position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle as it is shown in this animation. Just like that. Now just tap on Get Started and set up your Face ID. Once you set up Face ID, just tap on Set up Later, then tap on Done. Now just create a lock screen pin, then select Use Anyway. Now just enter your lock screen pin one more time to confirm your pin. Now after you have done that, now to enable Face ID on the App Store, just make sure you enable iTunes and App Store. Now once you enable this option, you will enable Face ID on App Store. Now just open the App Store. Now just enter the password of your Apple account. Then tap on OK. Now if you try to install an app from the App Store, it will ask you to use the Face ID to install the app. Now if you have done that and if Face ID is not working on your App Store, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now just go to Face ID and passcode. Now just enter your lock screen pin. And from here, if iTunes and App Store is enabled, just disable it. Now just wait for a few seconds, then enable it back on. Now just enter the passcode of your Apple account, then tap on OK, and this will fix your issue. And this is how you can enable Face ID on App Store on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.